Hey guys, it's Ghost57 coming at you from the power of YouTube through the internet itself. Okay guys, in today's video, we're going to be showing you how to remove your stand from your iMac. Stay tuned guys and I'll show you how easy it is. So the tools we're going to be using today, really the best thing you can get is a plain old gift card, credit card to actually fit in here to release the tension of those of the mount itself. Here are some other options we have here. The only bad thing about having anything metal, especially on aluminum, is you are guaranteed to scratch it up. So this is actually your best tool right here, an old credit card, debit card, whatever you don't mind getting scratched up. And then you're going to need a Torx 10, so this one is out of the iFixit kit, to remove those bolts on the end of the stand. Again, this is if you want to remove your stand, like for a VESA mount or something like that, or if you just want to change this out to something a little more custom. So let's go ahead and jump back into it. We're going to put the monitor on the screen itself. So now that we have the monitor resting on a nice soft surface, again, you want it on the screen, and of course you don't want to scratch it, so this little mat right here comes in handy a lot. And the reason why you want it on the screen is so you can have free motion of this stand. We do have to move it just a little bit. We're going to start in this position and push it down, and that's when it's going to unclip. So you're going to see how easy this is to remove. So we're going to grab our handy dandy gift card, credit card, whatever you want to use, and we're going to put it right in this slot right here. Okay, so we're going to start it with the stand all the way to its most up position right here. We're going to grab our little handy dandy card. You're just going to slide it right there. You're going to hear it clip, and as easy as this, you're going to pull it down, put a little force on it, and it should be able to come off pretty easy now. Sometimes you kind of have to wiggle and jiggle it. It's almost out, guys. Sometimes you have to reinsert it there. See it moving a little bit. So you're going more at an angle here. There it goes. So just like that, and you have access to these bolts right here. And the trick with that was not to push it straight down, but push it away towards the Apple logo. And you'll hear it clip a little bit. Okay, so let's go ahead and take those screws off. And with our Torx 10 from our trusty iFixit kit, we're just going to take off all these screws right here. And this can be a little tough. They've been in there since it was made. And this one's from 2010, so sometimes you have to put a little bit of oomph into those screws right there. Then always make sure to keep these somewhere handy, because a lot of people, when you resell these, they don't really want a VESA mount on the back of it, at least in my cases. So just put this to the side, and you can always resell this on like eBay or something like that. I've seen them go for quite a bit of money, $50 to sometimes even $90 for a really good mount, really good stand, I should say. And just as easy as that, we're pretty much done. I have seen some VESA mounts from Apple that go quite expensive, and there's some on Amazon, but they all connect to this mounting system back here just to make your life a little bit more custom. Just like that, you're going to just wiggle and jiggle it out. It's almost out of there. This one should come off pretty easy, but sometimes it just gives you a little bit of problems here. And just like that, you have it off. As easy as that. Okay guys, so that was pretty easy. Again, normally it takes about 3 minutes to take this whole mounting system off. This one was a little bit harder. I think it's been through a lot more than most of these iMacs. This one is an iMac 27-inch cinema display right here. This is a lightning cable one, a little old school. But if you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up button. It does help me a lot. And if you like, of course, what you saw today, please subscribe. It does help out my growing channel here. As always, guys, Ghost57 out. and I'll see you in the next video. See y'all later, guys.